Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you the best video player for Prime OS or Phoenix OS. So let's begin this video. Open Play Store in your operating system. I have now opened it. Then you have to search for VLC. It is the best video player which does not lag very much for both Android and Windows. But here in Play Store you can only find the Android version. So now let's download it. It is now installing. As you can see, VLC for Android is now installed. I will now open it. Then you have to click on Start. You need to grant it permission for accessing media on your device. So let's do that by clicking on grant permission, and then you have to click on allow. You can also enable this option and then click on next. You can use any of the three themes. I will use the light theme. Then you have to click on done. It is now loading the video files. I will now maximize the window. As you can see, this is a recording video. Of Prime OS while I was using Chrome, and here are some of the screen recording videos of Prime OS. As you can see, it is not lagging at all. See, it is playing the video smoothly. Compared to the inbuilt video player in Prime OS, which is the Gallery app, the inbuilt video players in Prime OS are Video Player and FX Media Player. These three are the video players which I had downloaded. They are not the pre-installed ones. I now open this video using the default video player. Whenever I try to forward the video in video player on the Prime OS, it just does not forward it at all and plays before the time I forwarded the videos. So thanks for watching this video. If this video will help you in any way, then please subscribe to our channel, like this video and share this video with the persons who are also using the Prime OS or Phoenix OS.